Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Gmail application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in Gmail and start your search. Once you find the Gmail application, just tap on it and you will see the install button if it is not already installed on your device. Now the Gmail app comes installed with most Android devices, but if you don't have it installed, then you will see the install button. Just tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Gmail application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. Then once you open it, you can proceed with logging into your email address or signing up and creating a new one to start using Gmail for all your email needs right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Gmail application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.